Shinigami no party time だ。For this mod, John took the original plastic belt straps, attached them onto high quality leather belt straps, sanded them down and gave them a paint job with high quality car paint. There are two Lost Driver belt mod variations. First up is Oyasan/Shotaro's Lost Driver belt. The other is Kasumi Daito's Lost Driver belt, with the latter a darker color to give it a cold, dark look, and not to mention blend with the Nero jacket. With this belt mod, the Lost Driver has seriously gotten a nice makeover, turning it into truly a display piece. That's it for this review of the adult Lost Driver belt. Don't forget to check out custom works at customworkschaironsub.blogspot.com and my blog at sasukekenzan.blogspot.com. I'm Sasuke Kenzan, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. さあ、地獄を楽しみな。よし。